Okay, Kevin, I'm going to see if I can replicate what I was trying to tell you. So I'm going to go to, I just, in my student login, I submitted a couple of things in week 3. So now I'm back in my normal view, pretending to be an instructor. So, okay, see how that one, all right, that one is opening like this instead of redirecting me to the location where I can grade. But this one opens in a new tab. So a new tab opens and then I can see the document. I can, you know what I can grade however I want to grade. I'm just wondering if that's, if that's the case with all of those. So if I want to grade week 3 assignment 3A, which apparently I was thinking that was a auto-graded. So if I click that, it just opens the summary. So I need to I got to go through course administration to see it. So I have to go here. So that's what I was trying to say. Hopefully that makes sense now.